Finding the right music for your video is pretty hard. You might even have to spend hours searching for the right mood and the right music. What I need for this video is something upbeat and also something peaceful. And as you saw, I am still bad at creating my own music. The issue here is most royalty-free music platforms are expensive, and besides, you need to spend hours searching for the right mood and right track. But then, one day I received a mail that changed my life. Unlike scrolling through a library, I could actually search for the vibe. If I wanted a bit of lo-fi with a kind of upbeat, I didn't have to hope that it existed, I just have to write in the prompt. I also loved the remix or the generate more like this feature. So if you really liked one song, you can really generate multiple versions of it without losing that core theme. The biggest win is obviously the licensing. You don't have to worry anything about copyright strike or anything. AI is really perfect, and that's what really stands out from human touch. Because all those imperfections that you find in any music, it cannot be recreated using AI. Once you enter this prompt, you get this perfect mix of audio without any sort of imperfections. So it's really suitable for background musics, but not really suited for orchestral masterpiece. So if you're looking for hyper specific lyrical storytelling, you need to really work on that prompt to get that really desired result. So this is really suitable for fast-paced vloggers. I mean, if you post 3-4 times a week, you don't have time like 3 hours to search for a specific track. All you need is a prompt, and you can just set the prompt, set the mood, and your music is ready to go. So for gamers and streamers also, this is really useful because you don't have to really care about what goes in the background. All you need is a right prompt and you get a background music ready. For creators already using stock footages or B-roll, this is again very useful. Having AI music really helps to make this high quality and like a professional kind of video. Honestly speaking, I spend about 45 minutes to 1 hour searching for the right track. I mean, I have the edit ready and I have something in my mind, and to search for it, it really takes time. So with MusicCreator AI, all you need is you just describe the video what it is, and you just need to set the mood, and you have various results. And if you're not happy with one of the results, you can just enter the prompt and modify it and you're good to go. So it saves a lot of time. So it's not just an AI music generator, you also have a lot more features like this. So there is a AI lyrics generator. So once I click that, all you have to do is suppose you have a title for your music, so something like orange cat, and you can enter a prompt something like generate a song on my orange furry cat, and you can set the mood. I'm going to set happy, structure chorus, style pop, language English, and just press generate now. So you can see that the lyrics has been made right here, and now you can use this lyrics to generate a song as well. Now there is an AI singing voice generator. In this, what you need to do is, suppose you want a song to be in your voice, what you can do is, write a name for the voice and then upload a music if you want, and then start recording and choose the gender and train voice model, and your audio will appear here. And next, once you generate a song, you can choose that particular voice to be the singer of that particular song. Then you have AI song cover generator. You can choose all these characters' voice as well, and you can upload the music and just press generate, and that song will be as if it's sung by any of these people. So you have all these things, and then you have the AI music video. For that, let's see a demo right here. So you can generate any of these things, and you have various templates here also. Now the singing video and the story music video feature is going to be coming soon, but you have this music visualizer. So suppose if I click that, and let's see this one for example, all these templates are already available. So you can generate a song, and then for the cover you can use any of these. And then also you have this photo video feature. So for that it's like you can select the video size, the display, and the photo style, and then you can generate a music video from the song that you just made. Then from the music you also have the AI vocal remover. So you upload one music and it will remove the vocal from that song, and you can also split various vocals, drums, and all that from that particular song. So it's a lot of music related AI stuff that you have in this site. This is the same thing. AI stem splitter is the same. You upload the music and you can separate each stem one by one. So if I click this more tools, you have these many features available. There is too many. I mean, if you are a music creator of your own, you can play along and try each one of these. Now talking about the pricing, it's actually free for 2 songs per month, and if you want the starter pack, you can generate 200 songs per month. And then you have the hobby, and then you have the professional, with which you can generate about 1200 songs per month. If you're tired of your video sounding like everyone else, go check out MusicCreator AI and create your soundtrack for yourself. I put a link in the description, so feel free to check it out and explore yourself. And once you sign up, you have some credits with which you can create some soundtracks, and you'll get to know why this will be a game changer. And let me know in the comments what kind of vibe you ended up creating. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Don't forget to check out the link in the description. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech, and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and as always, I'll see you all in the next one.